to water. Is it?
Yeah.
I can see. It's raining.
Oh.
Hello guys! We're gonna try into what?
Today, Pokemon and McDonald's came out with a promotional card, and we're trying to hunt that down. It's not gonna be that hard. It's gonna be actually relatively easy, but
It's gonna be a mukbang McDonald's today. So I think we're gonna take
I'm gonna be so sick of Happy Meals. What did you get?
So I got double baby. You want nugget? Wait baby, come here.
Oh yeah, baby?
What do you mean one more?
One more Happy Meal. One more card.
Mana mana itu? Kak, kena sini kayo, so parang sana. Jangan. Easy. Go, Michael.
Huh?
Hi, hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hey guys. How's it going?
Isabella mo. Isabella too. Hi.
Yeah, Izzy, say hi. Hi.
Hi guys. I'm excited.
So, this past weekend, McDonald's decided to do a little promotion. Not only does it come with a toy, it also comes with a card. Oh yeah, I know, baby, I know. We got. Oh, thank you. We got chicken nuggets. We got hash browns. We got salad. We got a breakfast sandwich. I'm not gonna eat this all, but we're gonna open. We're gonna discuss. We're gonna do all this other stuff. Hi.
Abo na yung anak. Oh.
Hey guys, Isabella's hungry. Let's eat.
He's not hungry. You're the one.
Yay!
Let's eat.
Yeah, I'm silly, huh? Yeah, I love you.
Isabella, secret daddy. Secret daddy.
Oh yeah, baby.
Nabi siya. Ayaw niya umalis.
No. Isabel, welcome, Daddy. Is it?
What did you say? Hi guys. Say hi guys. How are you guys? Oh, okay. Let's eat. Let's eat McDonald's. Can you say McDonald's? Yes. Do you like McDonald's? Do you like it? Huh? What? Oh, go to Dada. Patay na. Cut. Look at your face. Look at your face. Iwan, mami, iwan ko ano lang. Ano nga naman ito?
Hi. Can you help us? Yeah. Yeah.
Anong pachite?
Oh.
Kari mo.
Hi.
Hi guys! Ay, nako, yan naman si Mindy. We are...
Thank you, baby.
What? Oh, Daddy, explain.
Hey guys, Pokemon came out with a brand new, or Pokemon, McDonald's came out with a brand new McDonald's promotion. I feel like we just had one last year, but we did. That was like almost a year ago.
Good night.
So this time around, they come with a toy and a pack with 2 cards inside of it, which we'll be ripping later. So for right now, we're just gonna have a mukbang.
Yeah, mukbang. Pokemon is this. Pokemon box.
Is this lead? No.
And we got a 25 Pokemon card.
Yeah.
Yes. We lined this. How many McDonald's we go, right?
3?
Yeah.
But one of them wasn't giving out cards, and boy, was someone mad.
So we're gonna open this later. We
Yeah, we're gonna eat first.
we're gonna eat first. Not me. Yeah. Kailangan mukbang. You wanna eat? You wanna eat? Yes. Mukbang. Mukbang. You wanna eat in
Oh, I didn't know I did this.
nugget. You wanna open this? Okay. One only, okay? One
Japanese is
only.
revolutionary.
Okay, we're gonna give them four. Okay. Pick one. And first read it. Please tell me, baby. Which one you want?
Japan is revolutionary. God, only they would come up with this.
She can see you reading someone. Yes, which one you want, baby? Which one? Which one you want? Open? Okay, then what you get? What you get? Let's open. Oh, you know how to open? Before we open, you're looking good.
Yeah, I know.
What do you want? Oh, yeah, one only, one only. You can open? Oh! What you got, guys?
Lucario?
Lucario!
Yeah. Wow.
Can you see it? Show it. See that? Lucario! Lucario? Here we go. Oh, here. Nice. Okay, we're gonna show that later. Okay. You want ice cream going straight, right? Wow! Pokemon ball!
The squirrel.
Yay! 나단. No, open on.
That's what ice cream?
Yeah, one only. One only, you have this. No, baby, no, open. No, baby, open. No, open.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
You want ice cream?
Good.
Minsan ko minay. Say hi, let's eat. Let's eat. You can sit together.
Yeah, you want salad?
I need salad. You eat all the salad?
Yeah, good. It's really good.
Yung salad mo na. I didn't realize I get all salad. Where you can get from here? No, I need the
Mustard? Or, yeah, well, mustard, yeah.
I need the pork. The pork
Give me that barbecue sauce.
Itadakimasu. Did you itadakimasu? Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu.
Eat it, that counts.
I will not eat one. So the other kids is they eat already the half.
Mm.
The others, but almost they eat the. This is the left, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
If you've never been to Japan, their McDonald's is far superior than America. That's just my opinion. Hey, Shelly, can you get my hot sauce?
Or the ano?
Yeah. My hot sauce.
Bukan na yan eh ha.
Yeah, wait, is that it?
I don't think so.
No,
That-
that's not it.
I think there's one the other.
Yeah. I can do this at home. I can't do this in the restaurant.
What's the inside there?
What? Where?
Oh, only egg?
Egg and ham.
Can I have one? Well, so they don't have more hamburger, so we all buy the other. What do you call that?
Hamburger.
No. What do you call this?
Chicken nugget.
Nugget. Yeah.
I thought you got 5 hamburgers there.
There is the other. And then 3. Yeah, all together is 3. We're so hungry.
Mm-hmm.
We wait long line, right?
I didn't think Pokemon was that bad until we saw it today. Jeez.
No. I feel bad the staff. Oh my god, the staff. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do in the first move. There's a lot of orders, but they have a limit, right? Here
Oh, yeah.
in Japan, they have a limit of 5.
Per person.
Yeah, 5 for one person. 5 Happy Meals only, right?
Come to find out,
But not all. It's okay.
some locations they don't even give out the Pokemon cards. You have to do it by online order. Just
Yeah, not all. Not all. Ay, abuna. Ang gusto. Ang gusto.
Dadamihan ako nun.
Walang camera? This is ano, right?
Yes, I do.
Oh. There's road there. Yeah. Mga mukbang, yung mukbang. Ano karong bagong laukat nito? Sabi nga lang ko. Peppa Pig to ka. Peppa Pig to there. Nakay Peppa Pig to do. Sinang pa siya? Maganay. Mag-asa.
She's telling them of the time. Oh man. So we went to one of the McDonald's inside of a mall. Oh, these poor bastards. They ran to McDonald's. They bought, I think, 15 Happy Meals.
No,
18 Happy Meals.
Oh wait, for the ano?
The ones that didn't get the cards.
No, 5 lang.
5 long?
But that group, so 15 yeah.
They got 15 Happy Meals. And they didn't receive the reason why they went out there, the card.
So they did not check in the purse. And then the group trying after they buy, right?
Yep.
The one of group finally he checked what do you call that?
What he bought?
Yeah. And then he checked his no have a card, right? And then he's complaining why he don't have a card, blah blah blah. And then they find out that stop saying that you need to order in the phone, right? You need to get order in the phone, right?
Yep.
Then you can get that
Card.
card.
So if you're in Japan, keep in mind, if you're here for the promotional, sometimes you have to do it through online
You
order.
can get this, but you can get the card, the Pokemon card.
Yeah, so the reason why they're doing that is because last time they did this, they would buy food and leave it on the table. Come to find out, it's mostly foreigners that did this.
So cute.
Yeah, the sausage one's better.
The what? The sausage.
Yeah.
Sausage is better. I didn't know that no have a sausage.
I think it's just ham.
Yeah. It changes, no?
Mm.
Sometimes different.
I think it's always been him.
No, before it's sausage and the ano. Remember you buying me? Oh!
This is the Happy Meal.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, got it. So after we eat, we're gonna open this first, but we don't open all, right?
No, I don't think we're gonna open
Yeah. We're gonna keep this, the other, and trying to put in the decoration.
it. Mm.
Wait, so we collecting Pokemon. Some reason pa?
Mm.
That's why we speak English. My English is broken.
That's why we got a lot.
Our English is broken. So
Japanese only.
Tagalog and English. Hard. My brain is heading.
She can speak all three languages.
Not fluent. That's why when they are they can what that's why they can understand together. I'm in the middle in the darkness.
Hmm.
My mind is blacked out.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting full.
Yeah, because I'm so hungry. I think that's why when I'm too hungry, I can eat a lot.
Mm.
Do you like it? Are you like that or no?
No.
If you're really hungry, you're eating a lot.
Well, that's no too. When I'm hungry and I eat a lot but fast. I think that's why I can't eat after like the first meal.
We're done.
Huh?
I'm done. Do you want some? No. So I think this other yeah we're gonna warm this later and then this can eat again. You eat a lot.
No.
You eat a lot.
That's for the evening. Pikachu. Hi.
There's a secret one, right?
So there was secret here.
Sit down here, okay?
We don't know what. I'm gonna show you later.
If we pull it.
Yeah. When my baby is start crying or is sleeping, we're gonna go back. Stop doing that.